Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel Progressive Always. Dear friends, in this part we are going to study practice set 1.4. In this practice set, examples are based on equations reducible to a pair of linear equations into variables. It means that whatever equation will be given to us that will not in the form of linear equation. We have to reduce it, we have to convert it into the linear equation and then we have to solve it. Now let's see example. First example given here, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Second equation, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Now here you see in both equations, variables are in the denominator and that's why they are not in standard form. These equations are not in standard form. Because standard form of linear equation into variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to c. X and y variables are in the numerator. That is the standard form. But here x and y are in the denominator. That's why these equations are not in standard form and that's why we have to reduce them, or we can say we have to convert them, these two equations, in linear equations. Now see dear friends, first I write this equation. First equation, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. This is the given equation. I write here first equation. Now how to reduce it? Now see here very carefully what I am doing here. This 2 is here numerator of this fraction, here 3 is numerator of this fraction. I write both these numerators separate. If I write here separate, 2 multiplied by what is left here, numerator of x, after taking 2 out, then there is 1 and this upon x as it is. Value is same, value is not changed. 2 ones are 2 upon x. Only we have separated the numerator. We separated from here. Same way minus here also. Take 3 separate. Minus 3 multiplied by. If we take 3 separate, then what is left here as a numerator? 1 upon y is equal to 15 as it is. We separated both the numerators and after that I put this fraction in the bracket. That is the change. Same way for second equation. And second equation I write again, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Here also we have to separate both numerators from these fractions. 8 multiplied by, after taking 8 separate, there is 1 upon x, plus here also take 5 separate, 5 multiplied by 1 is there, 1 upon y is equal to 77 as it is, and then put these fractions in the bracket. Here equation number 2. Okay, in both the equations we just separated their numerators. After that what we have to do? After that, here we got one bracket 1 upon x, second bracket 1 upon y. We have to substitute here another variable. In place of first bracket and second bracket, substitute another variable. Now here I put 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. First bracket is equal to a, second bracket is equal to b. Now after putting these values here or variables here, we get another new equations. We will give them number 3 and 4. Now if we put here, you see 2 as it is. First bracket is equal to a, 1 upon x is equal to a, means it becomes now 2a, minus sign as it is, 3 from here, and second bracket is equal to b, 1 upon y is equal to b is equal to 15. See, now this is equation number 3. Similarly in 2, 8a, here 8, first bracket is equal to a, plus 5, here second bracket is equal to b, and 77 right side as it is. Here I give number 4. In this way we got equation number 3, equation number 4, and these are in standard form now, means we have reduced them. We have reduced in linear equation in two variable now, and these are in standard form. Now we got equation number 3 and 4. We have to solve these two equations now. How to equate? You can equate a or b, but it is easy to equate these two. Equation 1, this is equation 1, not 1, 3. Equation 3 multiplied by, we want 8 here, then 4s are. Equation 3 multiplied by 4. Equation 3 is this. And if you multiply by 4 to equation 3, we get 8. Now let's multiply by 4. Here 4 2s are 8a, minus 4 3s are 12b, is equal to 15 4s are 60. We multiplied equation 3 by 4 here. Equation 2, equation not 2, equation number 4. Equation 4 multiplied by 1, because already 8 is here. That's why equation 4 into 1, and when we multiply by 1, write equation as it is. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Now here you see 8a, we got two variables same, coefficients are also same, but their signs are same. For cancellation, for elimination, we want opposite sign, and if you want opposite sign, we have to subtract it. We have to subtract. Then subtracting, sign will change. Minus, minus, and here also minus. After subtracting, here signs are changed. 8a minus 8a will get cancelled now. Here addition, minus 12 minus 5 minus 17b is equal to, here 60 minus 77 minus 17, both are negative, write them as positive, is equal to 17. Now transfer order, b is equal to 17 upon 17, b is equal to 1. We got value of b now. For finding value of a, put this in equation 3 or 4. Put b is equal to 1 in equation 3 or 4, whichever is easy. In 4 I write. You can put in 3 also. Fourth equation, 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. In fourth we are putting here. Put value of b. 8a multiplied by 5 plus here 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 77. 8a plus 5 is equal to 77. 8a is equal to 77 minus 5. 8a is equal to 72. a is equal to 72 upon 8. a is equal to 9. A and b value we got. A value 9, b value 1. But that is not our answer. That is not the solution. In our example, variables are x and y. When we get the value of x and y, then that is the answer. Now we have to resub here. Resub means resubstitute. Put 1 upon x. Now there is put, here is no, that back step is equal to a, and 1 upon y is equal to b. This is the last back step. Now here we have to resub. Instead of put, you write resub or resubstitute. Resubstitute means again place these values, a and b values here. Now 1 upon x is equal to a value is 9, and 1 upon y is equal to b value is 1. Now see here 1 upon x, here 1 upon y. If we take its invertendo means reciprocal, we get the answer. What is reciprocal of 1 upon x? X. And reciprocal of 9? 1 upon 9. And reciprocal of 1 upon y? Y. And reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. Now we got values of x and y. And that is the solution now. Therefore, solution is in bracket 1 upon 9, 1. This is the solution.